Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic to record your screen, your webcam, perhaps do some lecture videos or teaching videos for your students. Now you could get to it two different ways. You can add it as an extension or an add-on in Google Chrome, so you need to be using the Chrome web browser for it to work better for that. Or you could go to their website, ScreencastOMatic.com. You sign up, it's free. They do have premium versions, but the free one should be sufficient for you. And then you have the option in their website of launching the recorder right up at the top, right there. You also have some editing features as well. But the nice thing is their beta version right now of where they host everything for you, you could separate things and organize them into folders, or you can create specific channels based on your classes or based on the videos that you're making and share it with people that way. When you're in this new version that they have, there's a record button that's red right up at the top right. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you're going to see that it starts to load. You're going to have to give it permission, so open the Screen Recorder Launcher version 2. Click on that. Now eventually it's going to say that the recorder launched, and this is going to pop up for you. It's going to say what the frame is. You can edit and adjust this to fit your screen however you want, because maybe you want to leave something out of it. You can choose what audio you want down here, like computer audio, if you want to record what's actually going on inside of your computer. Perhaps you're showing a clip of a video or something, the size of it, and the max time. I believe the free version gives you 15 minutes. The premium, you can have as much as you want. And much like other sites too, you can record your screen, you can do the webcam, or you can do both to where it's showing you, but it's also showing your screen at the same time. You can play around with some of these preferences, but that is one way that you can record your screen using Screencast-O-Matic. Now there will be a countdown like this. It'll say go, and then you can see that it's going to be recording your screen, and in the bottom left hand corner it shows how much time and your duration there of the recording. So that is one way that you can access the recording. Now when you're done, you just pause it down at the left hand side, and then you can hit done. And it's going to ask you how you want to distribute this video. Do you want to share it right away with one-click upload and then you copy the link, or do you want to save it and upload it? I strongly prefer saving it and uploading it first. You could save it to your computer and then upload it to their website, or you could upload it to YouTube or Google Drive. I prefer that because I like knowing it is somewhere specific that I can get to at any time. But you can also do the editing the video, and if you click on that, it will bring up some editing features that you can use. You are limited with the free version, but you can cut some things out. You can add different captions to it. You could even add a narration or music. Now I want to show you what it would look like to get the add-on or the extension for Screencast-O-Matic to where you don't even have to go to their website. So if you go to chrome.google.com or the Chrome store, you will see, if you look up Screencast-O-Matic Launcher, you can add it. Mine says remove, yours will say add unless you already have it, and then it shows you that it'll look like this button up at the top. So you can see that I have that right up at the top here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that bullseye circle, and it's going to prompt me to launch the recorder, and I can go ahead and launch it straight from here, and it's going to pop up much like it did before. Open the screen recorder, and it's going to follow the same steps that it did from their website. The only difference is I don't have to go straight to their website in order to start doing this. And as you can see, everything is the same. So if you prefer Screencast-O-Matic, if you prefer the way that that looks, it is definitely an option to record your screen, your webcam, or both at the same time for your teaching lessons.